Learning Struct and Class in C++ December 3, 2022. The struct keyword does not exist in Java, but exists in C/C++. It is considered that this keyword corresponds to class in Java. According to Caleb Curry's YouTube video titled C++ Programming Tutorial 82, Intro to Structs, the only difference between struct and class in C++ is the default access modifier, where the default access modifier of structure members is public, and the default access modifier of class members is private. The syntax of creating a struct in C++ is to type firstly the keyword struct, secondly the name of the struct, and then an opening curly bracket, after which the members of this struct can be defined. For example, the string object, bool, int and other data types can be defined within a struct. After defining all the members of the struct, it is necessary to type a closing curly bracket followed by a semicolon. After the closing curly bracket followed by a semicolon, it is possible to instantiate an object of the struct by typing the name of the struct and the name of its object. After instantiating such struct objects, it is possible to assign values to the variables defined within the struct by typing the name of the object followed by a dot and the name of the variable, followed by an equal sign and a valid assigned value, followed by a semicolon. Incorporating the standard output cout, it is possible to print these variables in the terminal. Since gender is represented by a dichotomous variable, I tried to declare a Boolean variable to match the dichotomous nature of gender. Nevertheless, the value of any Boolean variable must be either true or false by default. Therefore it is necessary to declare another string variable to represent gender itself. I incorporated these two variables into an if-else statement, in which if the Boolean variable is true, the string object representing gender is assigned the value male, but if the Boolean variable is false, the string object representing gender is assigned the value female. Unfortunately, I found out that if-else statement does not compile within a struct in C++. As Microsoft Visual Studio yields a warning expected a declaration. I tried to think of a workaround for this problem, but failed. The workaround that I tried to think of is to use #if and #if, but it failed as neither male or female was displayed as in the terminal. Without achieving my desired output, I posted a question on Stack Overflow asking if else statement with #if and #if does not work within C++ struct. How to fix this? A user commented #if is a preprocessor directive, whereas some other users suggested that I should use a constructor instead. Then I changed the keyword struct to class, and within the class I typed the access modifier public followed by a colon. After defining all the members within the class, I typed the class name followed by a pair of parentheses. This is similar to the syntax of constructors in Java. Within it, I assigned value true to the Boolean variable, and then incorporate the string object representing gender and the Boolean variable into an if-else statement. This time, male is displayed in the terminal as the output of the program. Besides, this question has been downvoted 4 times and has been closed because this question is not reproducible or was caused by typos. I realize that the Stack Overflow community can be quite toxic to uninitiated programmers, since my first account has been suspended, but hey, everyone has got to start somewhere. The first code snippet below is about using struct in C++, whereas the second is about using class in C++. //struct in C++ #include, using namespace std int main, struct person, string name, bool gender boolean, string age, string nationality, #if gender boolean equals true, gender equals male, else if, gender boolean equals false, gender equals female, #if, person 1 name equals Mike, person 1 gender boolean equals true, person 1 age equals 50, person 1 nationality equals American, cout.